Hi, I'm Ari Venna. I'm the Director of Development and Communications at Community Animal Medicine Project, better known as CAMP. When the wildfires exploded across Los Angeles last January, the entire city was in a state of shock and fear. Our team at CAMP knew that there would be support needed for beloved pets and their families. So we needed a long-term support plan. But of course, that would require funding for camp, and that's where AVMF came in. It was incredible. All it took really was one request where we described the support we were offering and intending to continue providing to these fire victims. And pretty much immediately, we received a generous contribution from AVMF to help make these fire relief clinics possible. There are so many stories of second chances and gratitude that we could share with you. One in particular that stands out is about this beautiful dog named Ivory. Ivory's family was evacuated due to the Eaton fire, not once, but twice. When Ivory completely stopped eating and started developing more concerning symptoms, they took her to an emergency veterinary hospital where she was diagnosed right away with pyometra. Once they contacted us, we immediately made space and brought Ivory in and gave her life-saving surgery. And we are so grateful to have been able to step in and help support this loving family. CAMP's goal is to remove barriers to veterinary care for all pet families in Los Angeles. And AVMF removed the barrier that we were facing to help make this a reality. So we are incredibly grateful for AVMF's belief in our mission and our ability to help our community. We thank you so much for making this possible.